Hello and welcome to Lumora Energy Customer Service. I'm Gloria, your virtual assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey Gloria, I just wanted to ask when my current contract is ending.
Let me check that for you. First, could you please provide your 6-character customer number?
Yeah, sure. So it starts with 77, then it's a J. Oh wait, no, sorry. It's a C for Canada, then 16, and at the end Alpha.
Got it. Your customer number is 77C16A. And could you please provide your date of birth?
That's June 1st, 98.
The authentication was successful. Your Green Power X contract started on August 30th, 2023, and will end on September 1st, 2025. Do you need help with a contract change?
Yeah, okay, that's still some time because I'm actually moving to a new house in a few weeks and I was wondering what to do with this current contract now.
You can either cancel your contract if Lumora Energy doesn't serve your new address, or transfer it and keep your current benefits. Would you like assistance with transferring your contract?
Yeah, please, I'd rather keep my current benefits. Can we do it now?
Great, I'll quickly transfer you to Oscar.
Hi, I'm Oscar, your contract moving specialist. Can you tell me your new address?
Yeah, it's the new address is High Street 35 in Berlin with postal code 10785.
Thanks. And what's your move-in date?
That's the first Saturday of April.
All right, so you're moving to High Street 35 in Berlin on April 6, 2025. You have two options: sign the updated contract immediately via a secure link, or I'll send it to your email and you'll have to look at it again later. Which option do you prefer?
Nah, let's do it now, that's easier.
All right, I'm sending the digital signature request to your phone.
Okay, already got the text and sign it.
Thanks. Your contract has been successfully updated. Confirmation email has been sent. I'll transfer you back to Gloria.
Hello again, Mr. Donner. Anything else I can assist with?
Yeah, actually I'm thinking about installing solar panels on my new home. Do you offer any services for that?
Absolutely. I will transfer you to a colleague. Just a second.
Hi, I'm Nova, your assistant for solar energy solutions at Lumora Energy. Installing solar panels can lower your energy bills by up to 40%. Would you like a free consultation?
Yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah, please, free consultation.
Great. Is your home a single-family house, townhouse, or apartment?
It's a single family house.
Do you already know the approximate size of your planned solar system?
Yeah, I actually know the total size of the roof, which is 120 square meters, but I only want to install panels on half of the roof.
Great. So you're planning a 60 square meter system for your single family home. Would you like to schedule a 15-minute call with our solar expert? We can arrange it immediately with a 5-minute wait, or schedule it for later.
Yeah, maybe you could call me tonight around 6 p.m.
Your consultation is confirmed for tonight at 6 p.m. The solar expert will call you then. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you and goodbye.
All right. Thank you for your time, Mr. Donner. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.